Welcome to Gardening with Soule in the land of El Soule. This is a dead animal, and if it offends you, don't watch. This is a dead rock squirrel. They are the largest squirrel, at least in North America and maybe the world. I have to verify that. And he kept eating all sorts of, well, deadly toxic plants in my garden. And I guess he ate one too many. Didn't make it back to the burrow. It's actually a very pretty squirrel. I mean, look at those markings. That's gorgeous. It's wonderful camouflage. Backing up here, you can see from my soil, he just kind of, other than being a slightly different color, blends right in. He's been a thorn in my side for several years, eating all my vegetable garden and a lot of my plants, right down to the nubs, including a supposedly toxic agave. And now I believe what he ate was the melia, also called the neem tree, used to make insecticides. What he's got in his mouth is a piece off my myrtle tree, which is also supposed to be toxic. So, you know, they don't read the books. Been irritant, and I'm kind of glad though that I didn't have to deal with him. That something else got him, and hopefully I'm gonna give him a proper burial, and maybe see if I can't dig up his skull later. That is, if I can get the hole dug before the vultures get him. They are circling, folks. I can't smell a thing, and yet I guess they can smell him. So this is what Mr. Rock Squirrel was eating. He chopped off a number of branches and ate all the leaves. And you can see this kind of very precise, almost sharp diagonal cut. That's pretty indicative of rodent chewing on things. And here's some of the leaves he ate off. Kind of climbed up here and ate. And I admit, looks like it might be luscious. It's also a plant that they make pesticides out of. So that rock squirrel killed himself.